और Kapatisi TV. Kwah University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Umintri Sarkar Budairu nong Aiktian, Jong Sarkar Jalau ba polling do ulong, ba Naduh ba udang long kumu President Rangba Jong Khasi Students Union ulakwa ba Lajong ru, ba kani ke jala jongi ke debandan dek sipai Lajong, lani ke Territorial Army. Ulakrennya kani hadian bagi nong alam kani so ba ke KSU gila pensngo ba kapor kadawa bandan no dek sipai Lajong. Uba pol loong banalor ke Mizoram de tang ke jala Assam ke badan lagi jong ke sipai ke Bapura. Kumta ya kani uloong bo unra sya kejingalang jo kunhun menteri sarkar kaban salong haka apun terik mutau benai banyakan kumnu ban pun urlong ya kani kejing temu.
This was expressed by leaders of the NESO as well as the KSU. In fact, I had given this idea way back when I was the president of the KSU, and today we have received a note on the how do we go about and structure and initiate the process of having the Territorial Army. Apart from the state of Mizoram, which was mentioned by leaders of the NESO, one state which has already gone ahead and in fact has already established a full-fledged territorial army is the state of Assam. So we will proactively and positively pursue the matter, and since this also concerns the union government, all details relating to the territorial army will be shared with members of the cabinet. We are meeting on the 26th of this month, and we should be in a position to take this process and go forward at this particular cabinet meet. In fact, we are looking at a scenario where everybody joins forces. Now, I'm happy to share with you that at the instance of the state government, the BSF has now advertised posts of totaling 300 posts for ST candidates of Meghalaya. 300, which is the biggest recruitment drive ever by the BSF, which I'm thankful to their DG. We have been in constant touch. Now, apart from the BSF, we will also need the support of local villagers. You can't expect the BSF and the police to be everywhere, which is why the TA, the Territorial Army, is a viable supplementary force. That apart, if you recall, I have also mentioned that the state government has already enacted a legislation that allows for us to create VDPs, including in the capital city of Shillong. We would like to see more localities and villages coming forward to join and establish VDPs, which have multifarious roles, whether it is maintenance of peace, whether it is dealing with narcotics, and generally to supplement the efforts of the state to provide safe policing ecosystem in Meghalaya. See, we are collecting more and more details. I will be able to see in the case of Assam, it is with the Home Department. In our case, it can either come under Home or Home Guards and Civil Defense. That once we approve in principle the concept of TA, we will be able to further update you.